Wondering about the secret to glowing skin? It's not just about what you put on your skin, but also what you put in your body. Today, we're diving into the world of morning drinks, particularly 5 nourishing recipes that could be your ticket to radiant skin. First up is the classic green smoothie. If you're a health enthusiast, you're probably familiar with this nutrient-packed drink. It's a blend of spinach, kale, cucumber and apple. A dash of lemon juice and a spoonful of honey add that much-needed zest and sweetness. This powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants helps detoxify your body and boost your skin health. Next, let's talk about the beetroot and carrot juice. This vibrant concoction is a feast for your eyes and your skin. The combination of beetroot and carrot provides a healthy dose of vitamin A and C. These vitamins are known for their skin-rejuvenating properties. A touch of ginger gives it a nice kick while boosting your digestion. Moving on to the third recipe, the turmeric and almond milk. This soothing drink is a great start to the day. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, works wonders for your skin. The almond milk provides a creamy base while adding a dose of healthy fats and vitamin E. The fourth recipe is an aloe vera and lemon water. Aloe vera is a well-known miracle plant praised for its skin-healing properties. Mixed with warm water and a squeeze of lemon, it becomes a refreshing and revitalizing morning drink. Last but not least, the berry and chia seed smoothie. Berries, loaded with antioxidants, are excellent for your skin. Chia seeds provide a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids. Together, they create a delicious, skin-friendly breakfast smoothie. So, there you have it. 5 morning drink recipes to help you achieve that glowing skin you've always wanted. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine could help you notice significant improvements over time. In summary, kickstart your day with the green smoothie for a dose of detox. The beetroot and carrot juice replenishes your skin with essential vitamins. The turmeric and almond milk is a soothing drink with anti-inflammatory benefits. The aloe vera and lemon water revitalizes your skin, and the berry and chia seed smoothie is a tasty antioxidant-rich breakfast option. Remember, beauty isn't just skin deep. It's a reflection of your overall health. So take care of your body and your skin will thank you.